Good morning, dear students. I'm your English teacher from Vittal Matriculation School. Hope you're all doing well, right? Okay, students, all of you having your English book. Those who are not having your English book, you have to pay the fees and get your books, second term books, okay? Okay, students, in last class, what we have seen? Can you all remember? Yes, the unit name is affection. What is the unit name? Affection. 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 First unit affection. The first lesson name is Appa. 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 Before that, we have to recall this paragraph. Let me read it first. Keeraikuppam was a small coastal village near Nagapattinam. Even though the people in the village toiled in the sea every day, they lived happily. It was a pleasant Sunday morning in December. Just like any other day, the villagers had started their routine. A few of them had already left for the sea, and the others were preparing to go to sea for fishing. Mina's family was also at the shore to see of her father going to the sea. After the men sailed into the sea, the woman would return to other tasks that needs their attention. The children would play under the coconut trees in the village. Okay, students, all of you done your homework? What is the homework? I already told you, right? You have to point out the hard words. You have to know their meanings, right? So you have to send me through the WhatsApp. Okay, students? Today we will continue the lesson Appa from the village bell was about to strike 8 times. The village bell was about to strike 8 times. The bell caretaker was ready to ring the bell. Here let me explain. The village bell. That village, what is the name of the village? Keeraikuppam, right? The village have a bell and bell caretaker also. The village bell caretaker ready to ring the bell. Just then, he saw that the sea water had receded a few hundred meters. Soon, many in the village noticed the same. The village saw a sea water receded. Here, receded means, all of you take your glossary page, take page number 73. Recede means go or move back. The sea water go or move back. Receded means உள்வாங்குதல் or பின்வாங்குதல். அந்த கடல் நீர் என்ன ஆகுதான், ரொம்ப உள்ள போகுதான். அதுதான் இங்கே சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. A few hundred meters, a distance in a few hundred meters, the sea water receded. Soon many in the village people also noticed that, and then Meena and her mother were also with them. The people already noticed the receded sea water, and also Meena and her mother also watched that. Then the sea water continued to recede. Here the sea water continued to reside. All had gathered along the shore to see it. Here they have like amazing. Here the people were standing in the shore area for what? For seeing the receded the sea water. The bell hit 8 times. Already this bell is there, no? So that bell is hit 8 times. The caretaker hit 8 times in the bell. People now saw a wave far away in the sea. People now saw a wave for here. Wave means that wave, sea wave, right? Kadal alai. Away in the sea. Excitedly, they pointed to the wave that was rising high in the sea. The wave was very high to raised. Everyone was getting ready to brace the big wave that was coming towards them. The people, all the village people, standing in the shore and watching the waves, right? The village people didn't know the wave come to attack them. So they are watching very excitedly. Little did they know that the wave was increasingly in height and would seem to touch the sky as it neared them. That time only the wave comes nearly to them. They felt that the wave attacked to us, and then it was getting closer to the shore with a roar. Roar means loud sound. Then gazing at the wave far away. Gazing at the wave far away, Meena's mother felt a sudden fear gripping her. Suddenly, Meena's mother getting a bad thing like gripping her. She felt that something was wrong. Meena's mother's instinct of something was wrong happened. Something was wrong. She caught Meena by her hand and started running towards their home. Meena's mother catched Meena's hand and running towards their home. The wave that came closer to the shore had crushed the fishing boats. First, the wave attacked the fishing boats. Before they reached their home, the powerful wave had hit the village. Meena and her mother, before reached their home, the wave come and attacked them. Meena and her mother could hear their friends and family screaming all around them. Meena and her mother heard means கேட்கிறது ஓகேவா huts and boats here around them. The sea water entered the village. The village around the sea water, right? Sea water entered the village and washed out the huts and boats. Huts and boats. Huts means here small houses, small leaf houses and boats. The water hit their hut too. Meena and her mother were separated and thrown off. Meena and her mother were separated and thrown off. Then slowly the water receded again into the sea. The sea water again into the sea receded. Meena's mother gathered herself and searched for Meena. It was then that the second massive wave hit the village. The Meena's mother searched Meena while the massive means here big wave hit the village. Meena's mother was washed away by the wave. Meena whirled. Here whirl means what? Whirl, to move rapidly round and round. Whirl means fast, very rapidly. Through the water was struggling to breathe. Okay students, here we will continue in the next class from the wave. Okay. one moment. We will continue this next class. Nothing students, this lesson about a girl, Meena, who was victimized by tsunami. It is given in the form of flashback. Okay. So, let's see the other parts in the next class. Okay students, you have to read the glossary and write the glossary two times. This is your homework. So you have to do. Okay students, what is your homework? You have to write glossary at 2 times. Keep safe at your home students. You have to do your homework and send me through the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.